if you're experiencing frame stuttering in Overwatch 2, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers. This can often resolve performance issues. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings within Overwatch 2. Navigate to the options menu and reduce settings such as texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing. This can help improve frame rates and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs that use significant CPU or RAM resources can affect game performance. Use the task manager to identify and close these applications. Step 4. Optimize game files. Repair the game files through the Battle.net launcher. This feature can fix corrupted files that may be causing performance issues. Open the launcher, select Overwatch 2, and choose the option to scan and repair. Step 5. Check system performance. Monitor your system's performance while playing. Use tools like Task Manager or MSI Afterburner to check CPU, GPU, and RAM usage. If any component is consistently maxed out, consider upgrading your hardware or optimizing your system further. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate frame stuttering in Overwatch 2, leading to a smoother gaming experience. Happy gaming!